how to use multiple accounts for Roblox Mobile. So on my phone here, this is Android, and I can sign in. On my left hand side here, I got one account, and on my right hand side, I have another account. Okay, so here's how you can do it. From the home screen, tap on Play Store, then tap on Search. In here, type in Clone App, and then we go down and tap on it to install, then tap on Install. Once it is installed, you can open it, or you can open it from the apps screen. Okay, now it's finished, you can tap on the Open button. Once you have installed the Clone app, open it, and from here, tap on the Add button, then tap on Roblox, tap on the Add button, and give it a name for the first app. Let's say Roblox Ben, and then tap on the Clone button. Okay, so that will install the first version. Then tap on the Add button, and then we choose Roblox again and give it a name, Bob, and then tap on Clone. Okay, so now we have two versions. Now we'll swipe up, open up recent screen, and then tap on that, and open in split screen view. And then down here, I'll just select that one. Up here, we'll select this one. Once you have selected the right apps, then turn it around, and then simply sign in, and then you can start to play with multiple accounts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.